guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Giselle. So today's video we are going to be doing a foundation review. So I have the new Revlon Photo Ready Insta-Filter foundation, and I have them in two shades because I think I'm really in between both of these shades. So the shades I have is 330 neutral tan and 400 caramel. So alright, so the claims of this foundation, it says it will have a flawless finish with the built-in blender, get selfie ready, the perfect blend, a full range of high definition shades, and it just says shake well before use. So okay, and this is off the Walgreens website. So this foundation comes in 14 shades, 10 shades, and the shades in between are okay, I guess. I mean, definitely with the shades I have now, I mean, with 330 and 400, there could be like, you know, a 340, 360. Like, the shades in between is ridiculous. So we'll see. And this foundation costs $17 or $18. So right now I just saw on the Walgreens website that there's like a $4 off coupon, but still, that's still really expensive for a drugstore foundation. So we're gonna see how this $18 drugstore foundation works, because we can get a high-end foundation for that cost. So I'm really confused about this price in Revlon. We're gonna go in with Caramel 400, and it does have the little sponge applicator, so we're gonna use that. And it said first shake well, so we're just gonna twist to see what happens. So it dispenses from the middle, and you just use the sponge to apply. Okay, this might be a good shade match for me. So on this side, we're gonna do it with the sponge, and then on the other side, I'm doing how I would normally put on my foundation. I think more foundation is getting trapped in the sponge than actually coming out. Like, yeah, we're not gonna do this with this sponge. So I'm actually just gonna twist it up and just grab it with my beauty blender. It does smell a little weird though, like a Play-Doh smell. I don't know, it looks a little gray, just like a tinge, just a tad on the cool side, so it's kind of making me look a little washed out and gray. I don't know if it's like that on camera, but yeah, it looks okay on camera, but I feel like it's just a tad bit too cool. But other than that, it matches pretty well. So definitely the bottle looks so much darker than what it actually is. So that's gonna be, you know, another obstacle that you have to come across when you're looking for this foundation in your color, because the bottle is definitely darker than the actual color. But it seems like it has like a good medium to buildable coverage. I know I put a couple of layers in some of my problem areas where I have just, you know, acne scars, and it covered it and builded just fine. So it's definitely like a medium to buildable coverage, but I need to hurry up and set this because it's already settling into my lines and creasing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back. So I just completed my face, and oh, I'm feeling myself. Like, where am I going? I'm going nowhere. Probably go to Target or something because I'm feeling really cute. But just finished my face. It is 12:06 So I'm gonna keep this foundation on. I'm gonna try to hold all of my thoughts and give it a fighting chance because I'm pretty neutral about it. I mean, right now it's not worth my $17.99, but we'll see how it wears. I'll do some check-ins, and yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. So it is 3:46 and just checking in. My face looks okay. I haven't really done too much today. My oils aren't breaking out, and it's probably because of the primer, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes, but so far it's looking good. Is it $17 worth? But we'll see. Hey guys, so it is 7:30 and I just wanted to make this last little check-in. I wanted to come outside so you can get natural lighting just to see how the foundation is doing. And right now, I mean, it looks great. My oils are peeking through just a little bit, but it just is giving me like a natural finish. So is this foundation $18 worth? No. Will I repurchase it? No. But am I going to use it? Yes. I'm going to go ahead and return the other one just because I know that's going to be like way too light for me, and just get my money back on that one. But I'm probably not going to I'm probably not going to buy it again because I really don't think it's $18 worth. The shade range is just, it's awful. When I put it on, it looked kind of gray. I know on camera it looked good, but in person it still looked a little grayish. So I just warmed it up by concealing and doing my contouring and all of that. So it's okay. So I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like my review. If you have any other foundation reviews that you want me to do, make sure you let me know. Just leave it in the comments down below. And if you've tried this foundation, let me know as well. Let me know how you liked it. So until next time.